Hi, I just wanted to come to you from my kitchen tonight, just while I'm cooking chicken and tomato, basil, and chicken stew. I don't have basil, I'm going to use a substitute, and there's a few other ingredients I might need to substitute as well. So let's get started. I've already pulled it up on my TM6. This is real life for me here because I've got the kids here. I'm going to skip the parmesan stage. I've already got some grated in the fridge. So we're just going to skip through that whole process. And then we're just going to get up to the next bit. 30 grams of olive oil. Pop that in. So you could be cooking with me now. Whoops, I have tried to go live on Facebook, but the live video footage isn't quite working. It doesn't seem to be connecting, so this is why I'm doing a Zoom, probably because of what's happening in the world. Onions in here, and I've got some garlic as well. Pop that in. Carrots, so I've got some carrots chopped up, remembering to chop as wide as the hole in the lid. I've also got some zucchini. I wanted to use this up because it was gifted to me by one of my friends. So I've actually gone over. I've gone to 400 grams, and that's okay. That's okay because we've got to have some veggies in our diet. 3 garlic cloves already in, and 10 to 15 fresh basil leaves to taste. Well, I've got some parsley I'd like to use up, so I'm going to pop that in instead. Kids in the background. Kids here, kids there, kids there. It's just all happening with kids. I have 4 kids. How many do you have? Okay, so speed 5 on for 5 seconds. Turn it up. Love it. Just keep that measuring cup in. It's going to go on to saute. So I'll just show you what that looks like for those that are looking at a Thermomix. Look at that, chicken food. Pop that lid back on. We're just going to saute that. How easy is that? It's so easy. I really want to draw attention to the benefits of Thermomix. You can make so much from scratch. You can do with dips, breads, crackers, sorbets, ice creams, smoothies, all those jar sauces. So over here, soups, everything. You do not need packaged food. So in this time at the moment, we are looking at saving money, and Thermomix definitely does that. Over here, I don't have tomato paste in my cupboard at the moment. I don't need to go out and buy it. I'm going to use my pizza sauce. I've got my recycled jar. I've used my pizza sauce in here, and that's really thick. It's not even moving. Look how thick that is. It's beautiful. So that's going to go in place of my tomato paste. Over here, we have my bottled sauce. So I made this last year, and it's my last one in the cupboard. Forgotten to make sauce this year, but it's something that you can do. So when you see those tomatoes on special, grab them, make a whole lot of bottled sauces and keep it in your cupboard. Obviously using the sterile jars, and also know how to seal them. So just a tip on that while that's sauteing, if you are sealing your jars, if you've washed them in the dishwasher, pop them in the oven, and then when they come out nice and hot, you put your food in it, put your lid on, and then tip it upside down, or leave it on the bench until it goes cold, and that will suck out all of the air. Really great, useful tip that you can do at home. So the other thing I want to show you, just while we're on here, I'm just going to pop over to my cookadoo. I've got 3 minutes left. So I just want to share my screen with you and show you what I'm cooking. Here we go. So we've got tomato and basil stew here, and I'm cooking this today. And these are all of the ingredients. It's 5 steps. So as you can see, that's sauteing. Now you will normally be sauteing on the stove behind me. That would be what you'll be doing. But instead, I'm doing that on in my thermomix. Then we're going to add the tomatoes and white wine. I drank it, so I don't have any. We're just going to skip the wine. Don't replace it with anything else. That's fine. You might want to pop some stock in there if you've got some. The stock that we love to make in our thermomixes is the concentrated stock, and it goes in all of our recipes. It's a beautiful, beautiful stock. And then we're going to add our chicken breast in there and pop those in for 10 minutes. Add your beans. Again, I don't have cannellini beans. I'm substituting with chickpeas. I really want to let you know it's okay to just use what you've got. So this comes from the one pot chicken recipe in Switzerland. Just while I'm on, oh, and for those that are health conscious, all your nutritional values, so your macros are down the side there on the left-hand side. To explore Cookadoo a little bit, what you can do, what I did, so I had these tomatoes, and I'll have to tell you a funny story next, what happened to half of that container of tomatoes earlier. I just typed in tomatoes, as you can see. I typed that in, and it gave me all of the choices. So you can type in tomatoes, chicken, you can type in tomatoes, potato, whatever ingredients you've got, and our amazing global recipe library will bring up what you can make. And look at all of those beautiful selections. So it was a bit of a toss-up between the tomato soup by Danny Boone and the chicken pasta, the chicken basil stew, which we're going to do. And I'm going to bulk that out and serve that with some pasta, I think. So amazing. Now, show you another trick. We're in Australia right here, and we want to change that filter. So we go into filters, and down the end here, click on language. So you can see we've got English. Click on that, and I'm going to remove Australia. By doing that, I've increased my search results. How amazing is that? So that is unlocking the global library. If you have Cookadoo and you're watching, these are some things that you could be doing with yours. Let me know if you are learning something different. All right, so we're just going to stop the screen share and come back to the Thermomix. And it's saying add the 400 grams of tomatoes. That smells beautiful, lovely and sauteed. Click tear on my scale and add all that in. I've gone over again, that's okay. I've got 6 people to feed, so I'm happy to go over a bit. Tip on going over. If you do go over, add 20% extra time. And if you're going, so that's if you're doubling your recipe, add 20% extra time. If you're halving your recipe, take 20%. Yes. White wine, we're going to skip that. Insert the measuring cup. And away we go again to saute. How easy is the Thermomix? So far, I've used what's in my fridge. I've got 1 carrot, zucchini, onion, couple of 3 garlic cloves, and the tomatoes. Now, I've got the tomatoes out. I put them on the bench, and I knocked it over. So half of them went on the floor and all over my cupboards, which I cleaned up earlier, and hence why I'm coming to you a little bit later and showing you on this video. So back to the Cookadoo. Let's have a look again. Here we go again. So I love the English filter to unlock the recipes from all over the world. If you go up the top, you've got recipes. So these are all of the bookmarks, all of the ones that I've saved. Over here in saved, they're all the cookbooks that I've saved. So that means when I go camping, or if you're going camping with someone who sets glamping, that means I don't need internet. I can have all of these saved on my machine and access them as I would at home with internet. So being with internet means that you can search the library live streaming, I suppose you would call it. These are my creative lists. So we have a whole lot of lists. Now, as I'm a consultant and a team leader, I make sure that my lists are catering for all the customers that I'm going to see. So you can see quite a bit, and you can see how many recipes in here. Some of these lists are specifically for us. In dinner in a hurry is one of the ones I love to use a lot. So you can see some wonderful, wonderful recipes in here. And honestly, there is not much to the ingredients. So Thermomix is, please see it as an investment, because it truly is an investment. It's an investment in your time, saving money on your cooking, on your recipes, on your ingredients, giving healthy options to your family and those that come to your home. As you can see, it's pretty hands-free, really, really simple, and we all love our Thermomixes. That's why in my kitchen, I have 3. So I've had more than that in my lifetime, but I've only got 2 hands, and managing 3 is quite enough for me. While I've got your attention here, I will also share with you the host offers that we've got on at the moment. So host rewards right here. You can earn yourself a free bowl and blade set valued at $395. 2 sales, and I'm offering you to come and cook with me in my kitchen, but you don't even need to be here. You can be in your kitchen at home. Your friends can be in their kitchens at home. It's called a virtual cooking experience, and I would love, love, love to come and do that with you and share with you some tips, and you can chat to me online. You know, it's going to be wonderful, and you really, really get a lot out of it. So we had a cooking class yesterday, and it was a live cooking class, and we had a lot of people on, and it was really, really successful, and everyone learned a lot of fantastic tips. Now, I can't stay too much longer because I do have a meeting at 7 o'clock and I am presenting. This is going to go for 42 seconds. I'll stay a little bit longer and get the chicken, and then we're on the long cook, and that's the longest part of the cook. One more thing I want to show you is the purchase offer of our month. So at the moment, until the end of March, you're going to get an additional Eat Well cookbook, absolutely stunning, stunning cookbook with a thermo server. So that's valued at $185. The thermo service alone is valued at $135, I do believe. So fantastic value. So your host can clean up, you can clean up, and it keeps me employed as well. Look at that steam and that heat coming out there. So chicken, it says 800 grams of chicken breast. Just show you that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I think I might add some stock in this. That'd be really lovely. So I don't know, I haven't pre-weighed this. I'm just over 800 grams, and got a little argument brewing in there. A teaspoon of salt. So just put that in. Instead of salt, you could put your stock in at the moment, because the stock has flavour and it's salt. So I might pop a little bit of it in later. A little bit of pepper. And next, lid on. So before I do that, this is my long cook, so you can see how full that bowl is. This is a 2.2 litre bowl. I'm going to feed our family. I'm going to serve that with something after yesterday's cooking class online, I've got plenty of leftovers. Probably don't need to, you know, make any food, but I really wanted to use up that tomato that I had in the fridge. That's going to cook for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add my chickpeas. It's going to ask for cannellini. We're just going to sub. Also, what I'm going to do tonight is I've got some bread rolls here, and they're a bit firm now, so they're no good for eating. I'm going to make them into breadcrumbs. Come stay with me. I'm really into saving money and using what you have, and I can't wait to cook with you again.